And we got first and get water and film it.
First, we're adding soil for the seeds to grow in.
Oh my gosh.
Adding rocks will help with drainage. We're going to add some pretty pink sand.
Well done, boy.
Now we're adding more soil for the seeds.
Be careful, pick it up.
Here are the seeds our plants will grow from. A lot of different fruits, vegetables, and plants start off as seeds. Let's make sure it's planted nicely. Now we're going to add some ferns. Now that everything is put together, we need to put it in some sun for it to grow. Let's go check on our plant.
Hit the bell, like, subscribe. Hit the bell, like, subscribe. Hit the bell, like, subscribe. Hit the bell, like, subscribe.